Well, tonight, a video is making the rounds on social media. It shows a Baltimore police sergeant coughing near citizens while patrolling one city neighborhood. Now, the department says it is investigating. WJZ is live outside City Hall. Rachel Menitoff asked the city what they're doing in response. Rachel.
Vic, good evening. The Baltimore Police Department released a statement saying they've seen the entire video and they've sent the video to the Public Integrity Bureau for an internal investigation.
Hey, Officer Friendly with the cherry cheeks.
Here's a look at the video originally posted to Instagram. It has been confirmed that this is a Baltimore police sergeant coughing as he walks through a Baltimore City neighborhood. I asked Mayor Young if he was aware of the video. Here's what he said.
I really haven't seen the video, but I know it's being investigated.
Moments ago, Commissioner Harrison released another statement which says, in part, after watching the full video in its entirety, it is not only disturbing but incomprehensible, especially considering the high level of strong and clear guidance that we have provided from the beginning regarding COVID-19. And earlier this afternoon, Commissioner Harrison was out here at City Hall and provided an overall update to the police department's response to COVID-19. Outside City Hall this afternoon, Police Commissioner Michael Harrison confirmed that the Southwestern District has reopened after one of its officers tested positive last week. The building and all of the cars have since been sanitized. Currently, there are 12 Baltimore City police officers who have tested positive for the virus, with 67 officers awaiting test results. And currently, 150 members of the force are in self-quarantine.
Every day, the men and women of this department go out to serve and protect in the most challenging and dangerous circumstances. We continue to work in educating and enforcing residents of the governor's stay-home orders to minimize the spread of this dangerous and deadly virus in our communities.
Commissioner Harrison says all of his officers are now required to wear N95 masks for the entire duration of their shift. He's also recommending that officers take their temperatures twice a day as an added precaution. We're live outside City Hall. I'm Rachel Menitoff for WJZ.